We do not seem to understand right from wrong anymore. Anytime you remove offense, and God give us the moral law, it was to remind me that my worship was sick, that my body was sick, that my body was sick. Perfect justice. My words were sick. My time was sick. The property I owned was sick. And these inviolable sanctities were preserved in those 10 words. And it is the desacralization of all of these. Vast as the ocean that has put us in the mess that we find ourselves.